Okay, folks, Jason, back again. Today I'm going to talk to you about these, the brand new iPod 4s. AirPod 4s. Today I'm going to talk to you about the brand new AirPod 4s that I picked up along with the AirPods Max, just because I'm curious. I got the ANC version. They have active noise cancellation. They are $50 more than the regular AirPods 4. The AirPods 4 go for a price of $129 for the non-ANC and $179 for the ANC version. I have the ANC version here. We are going to get it out of the box and we are going to see what it's all about. And I'm going to compare them to these, the AirPods Pro 2. I still have the Lightning version, but because I don't care about USB-C if I already got a $250 set of headphones. So I'm going to compare them against that just to get a baseline for what they sound like. Here we go. Let's get them out of the box real quick, and then we will take them from here. AirPods Max with active noise cancellation. Yes. One of my favorite things. I'm curious to see how the active noise cancellation works on something that doesn't have a seal in the ear the way that some other things do. Smaller little package here. Let's just leave that there. What's in here? A bunch of paper. A how to get them hooked up and stuff. Let's see. Hooking up the AirPods is really not that hard at all. And then a lot of regulatory information. It was surprising that the Apple Watch came with like nothing. And this comes with all these papers. But that's how it is. Let's move this over there and then do the slow peel. This is not the thin paper that Apple's been using for some of their other packaging. This is a thicker paper. I don't know why. I hate to rip the paper. But sometimes you gotta rip the paper if you want to get them out. So this is the box. Let's go ahead and put it to the side here and take a look at these guys. So just to give you a sense, this is the AirPods Pro case. This is the AirPods 4 case. And so it's a little taller and a lot thinner by about a third. I'm thinking. Yeah. So a little taller and a little thinner by about a third. And then we open them and they are immediately looking for something to connect to. So let's give them something to connect to. I'll give him my iPhone 15 Pro Max because that's the one that's sitting here right now. Yeah. Okay. So 15 Pro Max sitting here, open, and it should just be like, hey, AirPods. Hello. Let's try this again. Hello. There we go. Connect. We are connecting. Yes. Oh, and there they go. Listening mode. Press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise reduction and transparency. Turn on personalized volume. That's interesting. Not now. Lower media volume when I start speaking. Not now. I don't do that because I sing when I'm listening to music, and that's, yeah. Control your AirPods with moving your head. That's a new one. And then, yeah. Now they are connected, and I've got these guys here. Again, what I'm really curious about is why it keeps going to this and not opening. So once again, open, close. I think they'll probably just connect if I put them in my ears. So that's what I'm going to do. But let's take a quick look at the AirPods themselves. You can get a sense. They are short. They have no rubber tip. They are angled into your ear. And supposedly Apple says these are going to be able to fit more ears than not. I know some people have trouble with these guys, but you know, they're supposed to be, they're supposed to fit in more ears. So let's see how they fit in my ear. Okay. That's one. So pretty good seal. I've got a little bit of occlusion effect here. Let's go into the control center, and this is when it gets frustrating because they're not. No, I don't want to connect. All right, keeps jumping back and forth between my Mac and other stuff. Okay, Now I long press here and noise cancellation is on. Okay, so I've switched to transparency mode and I can hear myself. And now I've turned everything off. Ta-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta. Hello. All right, so I've got noise canceling mode on. And I mean, it's definitely canceling noise. I can hear myself, but it's not terrible. It's not terrible. Let me give them a little bit of a listening test, and then I'm going to compare them to these guys, and I'll tell you what I think. Okay, so AC/DC, always good. Let's go to the album and get the song that I always want to hear. All right, so I have Lossless going everywhere. What else is me on another ride? Sounding good. They sound very good, actually. They sound impressively good. I haven't used the AirPods 3 for a long time, but let's go ahead and put these boys in. The AirPods Pro and see what we get. Okay, tried to level match there to make sure that I was listening at the same volume. The AirPods Max have a little bit more of a refined sound, if that makes any sense. Got a little bit of shape around the edges on all the different frequency levels. Let's put these back in to see what these guys do. Now, one thing I like about listening to AC/DC and doing this is that AC/DC, the guitars are right up front. There's not too much reverb, so you can hear a lot of detail in everything, spaced out nicely in the stereo spectrum. Willie Nelson doing Do You Realize by the Flaming Lips? What? Is that a real thing? Okay. Willie Nelson singing Do You Realize by the Flaming Lips. That's a nice guy. Yeah. New Cure song? New Cure song. They announced today that there's going to be a new Cure album if you're interested in such a thing. And this is the first single. New Cure song. Pretty good. Go listen to it on Apple Music or whatever music you listen to. There's a new release by Matt Pond, PA. What? What is going on here? That's crazy talk. Nick Lowe and Low Straight Jacket's new record. Yeah. So there's some interesting things going on here. Jesus Lizard has a new record. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, these sound really pretty good. The noise cancellation is okay. Okay. Play and pause. All right. So now is this switching. Okay. So long press switches between noise cancellation and transparency mode, much the same as it is with the AirPods Pro. I assume that you can go ahead and change that if you want to. And the noise cancellation is mild, decent, I guess. But again, noise cancellation in a headphone like this is never going to be awesome. But noise cancellation, $179 AirPod. Sound signature of these actually very good, comparable to, but not as refined as AirPods Pro. If you don't want to pay, these are often on discount. You can find them on Amazon and elsewhere on discount. These are regular price $179 for the ANC version and $129 for the regular version. I don't know how the sound signature will change for the regular version because there is a difference in how headphones sound when you turn noise cancellation on and off. Sometimes noise cancellation gives you a little bit better sound signature. Sometimes it doesn't. But these tiny little headphones, these are definitely a good deal in my estimation compared to the other stuff that's out there in that sub $200 range. They fit well. They don't feel like they're going to fall out of my ear. They sound good. And they compare favorably with their more expensive, more feature-rich brethren, the AirPods Pro. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions down in the comments below, I will be happy to answer your questions, and we will have a boisterous discussion. Once again, thanks for watching. My name's Jason, formerly known as Painfully Honest Tech, sometimes known as the JTL. Until the next time, I am out.